Imagine this. It's Christmas Eve. The lights are twinkling, the air smells of cinnamon and pine, and you're ready to surprise your loved ones. But then, you look at your gifts. Wrinkled paper, tape everywhere, and bows that look more like a mess than magic. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you there are simple hacks that can make you wrap gifts like a pro? So beautiful, people won't even want to open them. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon so you never miss these amazing hacks. Why wrapping matters. Here's the truth. A gift isn't just what's inside. It's the story it tells before it's opened. A beautifully wrapped gift says, "I care. I thought about you. I put effort into making this moment special." Think about it. How do you feel when someone hands you a gift that looks like art? Already, before opening, you feel loved. That's the power of wrapping. And the good news? You don't need professional skills. You just need these hacks. Hack 1. The diagonal wrapping trick. Ever tried wrapping a box and realized the paper doesn't fit? Instead of cutting more, here's the pro trick. Place the box diagonally across the wrapping paper. Suddenly, the paper covers the entire box perfectly. Not only does this save paper, but it also gives the package a clean, professional look. It's such a simple shift, but it changes everything. Hack 2. Double-sided tape for a clean finish. Have you ever seen a gift where the tape is completely invisible? That's the secret of pros. They use double-sided tape. No messy strips showing, no awkward overlaps, just crisp, smooth folds that look flawless. It almost feels like the paper is hugging the box naturally. And when the person receiving it wonders how did they do that, you'll smile knowing it was this tiny hack. Hack 3. The ribbon cross technique. A bow can either make or break your gift. Instead of just tying ribbon around one side, wrap it across both directions, like a cross. Then tie your bow in the middle. Instantly, your gift looks elegant, balanced, and magazine-ready. Want to take it further? Curl the ribbon ends with scissors for that whimsical holiday touch. Hack 4. Use fabric instead of paper. Here's where things get creative. Instead of wrapping paper, try using scarves, tea towels, or pieces of fabric. Not only does it look luxurious, but it's also eco-friendly and doubles as part of the gift. Imagine giving someone a bottle of wine wrapped in a festive scarf. They get 2 presents in one, and you waste 0 paper. It's classy, sustainable, and unforgettable. Hack 5. Add nature for charm. Want your gifts to stand out under the tree? Add a sprig of pine, a cinnamon stick, or even a dried orange slice on top of the bow. These natural touches smell amazing and create a rustic, holiday feel. It's like bringing a piece of winter wonderland to each gift. And best of all, it costs almost nothing. Hack 6. The pocket fold for gift cards. Gift cards can feel impersonal, unless you wrap them creatively. Here's a secret. Fold the wrapping paper into a little pocket before sealing it, slide the gift card inside, and decorate with ribbon. Suddenly, that tiny piece of plastic feels like a thoughtful treasure. It's presentation that makes the difference. Hack 7. Personalize with tags and photos. Instead of writing names directly on the gift, attach a personalized tag, or better yet, a small printed photo of the person. Imagine walking to the Christmas tree and instantly spotting your face on a perfectly wrapped present. It feels magical, intimate, and unforgettable. These small details create moments people cherish. Wrapping as an experience. So, those were 7 little hacks that can transform your gift wrapping from stressful to spectacular. The diagonal trick, double-sided tape, ribbon cross, fabric wraps, natural decor, pocket folds, and personalized tags. With these, your gifts won't just be presents, they'll be experiences. So tell me, which hack are you excited to try this holiday season? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because more amazing holiday hacks are on the way. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list, an emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Remember, a gift may be forgotten in time, but the moment someone sees that beautifully wrapped box in their hands, that memory lasts forever.